Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. This is a company I've never heard of before, Vanlife, the luxury camper, your luxury adventure. And I don't think that quite works in English as a slogan. I see it's in Warsaw as well, which surprises me because I've never heard of it and no one's ever mentioned it to me. And you think that, when I speak to people, then somebody might have brought the subject up. Anyway, never mind that, but we can see inside the van here that it does look, it looks quite nice. It has a certain je ne sais quoi about it. And I really don't know what about it. So from a design point of view, it's quite, I suppose it looks slightly attractive, but it is at the end of the day, it is a camper van. What we can see, for example, here we have the space between the roof and the cabinets is lost, and that, in my opinion, a van of this nature is it's not particularly good. And down here we've got the fridge. I suppose one of these things you could stick one of these porter potties in there. The kitchen is absolutely sort of standard there. Nothing new about that, but it does look stylish. One has to say that. I mean, with the lighting and the way it reflects off the furniture, and the upholstery looks particularly interesting. Let's go to the back. No, let's not go to the back. Oh yes, I can. Sorry, let's go to the back. I can't open the back, can I? Well, never mind. We've got to see in the back. If I could have opened it. Here, let's go and see another one which has been done slightly different. No, I'm not going to get in this one either. But I think it is somewhat similar in its design. Okay, let's have a look here. Here's yet another one, and let's.
For now, we have just one for the front and for the long. But when we have more time.
Okay, it's got one of these starlight things. There was the British company. Wellhouse, they used to start one of their demonstration models here at Caravan Salon in 2018. So a bit Frigo fridge. I mean, certainly inside it does. I mean, it does have a feeling of looking nice inside. Let's have a look in the back, which I was denied earlier.
I know that camping is about being broad and being a little bit.
So let's have a look at some of these things. What's this work? I haven't broken it already, have I? Well, I can't open that. Don't know why. Oh well, never mind. So you may have overheard that. So it says solid wood, and that is not something you want in a camper van in general. Although I do accept that the payload of something like this is quite high. And in this one, the bed, I think, is. Well, I think the bed sort of been found itself into an incorrect position there. One good point I've got to say is that the table, though, is really large. Okay, right, well, there you have it. Wanderer. Oh, Grupa Ciche Zasada. I know them. No, I do know them. Mr. Zasada is the Mercedes importer, or was the biggest Mercedes importer in Poland. In fact, he had the dealership. So that's how he's found the. That's how the company has been financed. Okay, good. Not certain why anybody wants to put apples and pumpkins out. I suppose they're in season. Well, the pumpkins are just about to come in season. They're not in season yet. Right, so whilst I'm here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you around, show you one or two other things. And so we've got this rather unusual, look at that, up to 8 meter long van. It looks like I can't remember the name of the vehicle now. There was something in the United States, came out, I believe it was 1976. I've forgotten the name of the vehicle, but it looks something like that. Of course, that's on a Mercedes, and this one in the United States was on a Dodge. People know about old vans will write the answer below, because I'm trying to think since I first saw it what it is. Here's a Spanish company, and they've come up with this dreadful name for the vehicle. They've called it All Road. Now, this is a translation from German of Allrad. You know, Allrad is not all road. In English, 4x4, we say off-road. And when you see a mistake like that, you start thinking, what else is there a mistake of? So that's quite a basic mistake, really. Anyway, here we've got Easy Camper. And we'll have a look at their version of the VW camper, which is here, for example. Easy Camper Classic. This thing here is going to cost 65,000 euros. Just to compare it to the other ones. The Polish ones, I don't know what the cost is. So they didn't actually put that up. One thing it is actually curious though is that this, which I think is, it's for those that already want to be outside. It's not much cop when it's raining, but there's not much room inside. Anyway, I'm going to go over here and have a look at this one. So the table is much smaller than the was in them, but it does have the extension, and it also has the, well, I complained about the space being wasted. Another one, this is wasted as well. These things could be built on a modular basis. This thing is 52,500 euros. And I'll show you the very last VW whilst we're here.
Hello.
And this one here has got the bed already put down. Of course, this has gone for a less traditional approach with this, for example, here, and this one's got next to nothing inside, and I can't give you a price on it. Right, there we have the stand of Pössl. We've been particularly successful in campervan construction. This is a Vandale vehicle which has come up this year, which I think is a bit of a waste of time, but there you can see it inside. So you've got a bed, it comes over this here. I'll show you. The bed comes down, the bed comes out like this, and if you want your camping stuff, you've got to come around the back here. And this thing is going to cost 48,000. There you go, there's your sink, here's your fridge, and there's your cooker. So you see that in a different video. So this is called Vandere, and the one down there is called Wanderer. So it'd be quite easy to mix them up. And Citroen car, a Citroen car with space for a bicycle inside and a tent in the roof. Well, I suppose that could come in handy.
Ja, klar.
Hohenstein Bewegt. Okay, that's a Sunlight camper van. So here I shall conclude in the place I started at with this Wanderer Volkswagen camper, which looks quite nice here. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish off around the side because the internal view was quite good. So there you go. The internal view of this vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you found that of interest, then there are plenty more videos on my site. All the best from Düsseldorf, Germany.